Are you looking for the best outdoor grills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best outdoor grills that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Weber Genesis E325's 3-burner gas grill. You'll find Weber grills of all types atop our lists of bests. The brand is well known for its popular grills, and it lives up to its reputation. The Weber Genesis E325's got rave reviews in our gas grill tests for its large capacity and precision temperature control. During hours of grilling, heat levels remain nice and even with the lid closed, while the center, sear zone, stayed the hottest with the lid open, creating useful cooler zones for steady cooking while you get some nice browning on a reverse seared steak. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates transfer heat beautifully to create those coveted grill marks but also minimize sticking. A fish fillet came off the grill cleanly, both skin and flesh side down, and we even got the best caramelized onions of all the models we tried. We were impressed with the rapid temperature response when adjusting the 3 burners, and the enormous 994 square inch cooking surface can hold at least 3 dozen burger patties at once for a neighborhood 4th of July barbecue. You'll feel sticker shock at the price, but we feel the Genesis E325's is a great investment for anyone who loves to grill. Moving on at number 4, we have the Traeger Ironwood. Pellet grills are electric smokers that are powered by pellets, aka compressed pieces of them. They can also be used to bake food at higher temperatures and even grill around 500 F, although they usually don't produce the best sear marks. Traeger's Ironwood 885 is one of our favorite pellet grills. It's sturdy but straightforward in design. In our tests, it cooked ribs nicely, leaving behind a subtle smoke ring. It also cooked a reverse steak well and some of the best brisket we ever tasted. It connects to an app, which monitors the ambient temperature, the internal temperature of your food, thanks to a couple of included probes and the pellet level. Traeger offers an assortment of pellet grills, including smaller sizes in every model type. The Timberline is one of their top-of-the-line pellet grills that's decked out in smart features. It even comes with an induction burner so you can sear food or even fry outdoors. At number 3, we have the Kamado Joe Classic Joe 2. These ceramic egg-shaped grills that are known as Kamado grills are most often powered by charcoal. Their thick, heavy walls make them better at maintaining temperature than your traditional charcoal grill, so you can smoke foods for a long time or cook at high temps like 750 F. This version from Kamado Joe stands out in the category for the brand's attention to detail. The shelves are made of a plastic material that won't wear over time. The rim of the base allows for a soft close and a good seal. The vent on the top of the grill is labeled and it has a built-in thermometer. It comes with a 2-tiered grilling grate so you can better control your grilling experience, a grate removal tool, an ash removal tool and a pull-out ashtray. The wheeled stand is helpful for moving it around, as it's very heavy. A smart version was released last year, which has a digital display that monitors the grill's cooking temperature and connects to temperature probes so you can keep track of how your food is cooking. It impressed us so much that it also won a GH Kitchen Gear Award. At number 2, we have the Weber Spirit 2E310 Propane Grill. When it comes to cooking, this 3-burner stainless steel grill is just about perfect. In our test, it turned out steaks with gorgeous grill marks that were beautifully rare and juicy. Chicken came off the grates golden brown, moist and tender, and all this with barely any flare-ups. After using it consistently for more than 3 years, it still turns on effortlessly, heats quickly and evenly, doesn't produce flare-ups and has stood up to the New York City elements. We appreciate the many features that make it pleasant to use, like sturdy side shelves, tool holders and a shelf to stash extra items. We also appreciate the propane tank holder that lets you know how much gas is left in the tank, a feature on many Weber grills. It comes with porcelain enameled cast iron grates that have held up nicely over the years. And finally at number 1, we have the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. When it comes to grilling, most people have strong opinions on the type of outdoor grill they like to use, including our experts. Each type has its pros. Gas grills deliver big on ease of use, while charcoal grills create a smokier flavor. Griddles can cook fluffy pancakes and fried rice, while electric grills have become more powerful and can be appealing to those who live in apartments, while specialty grills, like the Big Green Egg and other types of smokers, including pellet grills, continue to grow in popularity. In the Good Housekeeping Institute Kitchen Appliances Lab, we test all types of grills, from full-size models to portable grills, to find the best outdoor grills. We test them for performance and ease of use, and consider factors like how evenly they heat, how quickly they cook, whether they flare up, what kind of shelves and tool holders they have, how easy it is to attach or fill the fuel source, and more. Since 2011, we've tested more than 80 outdoor grills over the years. We also have our consumer testers continue to use the grills in real-world settings so they can report back on how our top picks hold up over time. At the bottom of this guide, you'll find more on how we test grills and what to look for when shopping for one. And if you have a grill enthusiast in your life, check out our guide to the best grilling gifts for when their birthday rolls around. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.